Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. In today's tutorial, we're painting a breezy beach scene filled with soaring seagulls over ocean waves. This calming and scenic project is part of our Animals series, and it's a great way to explore color blending, wave texture, and bird silhouettes, all in one peaceful session. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to be notified when new tutorials go live, don't forget to click the bell icon. We post relaxing, step-by-step painting lessons every week. Here's the materials list for this painting. Pause here to gather these items and return when you're ready. You can also find this information listed in the description below. Let's begin with the background. Squeeze out a few drops of sky blue, titanium white, and burnt umber directly onto your canvas, following the pattern shown in the video. With a damp flat brush, start blending in horizontal strokes. Keep the sky blue at the top, white in the middle, and burnt umber at the bottom to suggest sandy beach tones. Blend carefully to create soft transitions between the sky, sea, and sand. Let each color softly transition into the next. Keep your brush wet and your strokes gentle. This part sets the tone of your entire scene, so take your time. You may need to rinse and reload your brush with clean water to keep things moving smoothly. If you see streaks, soften them out. Once the background is dry, it's time to add movement to the sea. Starting in the middle section, layer in cobalt blue and gradually blend in turquoise blue to define your water. Use circular brush motions to create soft, curling wave shapes. Then stretch those shapes into flattered, flowy lines to suggest waves rolling out into the distance. With thick white paint, use a small flat brush to dab in some ocean surf. Focus on the tops of your waves, using lighter, quick strokes to show movement and froth. Now, paint a gentle shoreline wave extending onto the beach. This one should feel a little calmer, with a more definite outline, like the tide has just rolled in. In the distance, you can add softer, shorter strokes to represent faraway ripples and surf lines. Switch to a liner brush for this next part. Scoop up some white paint and add horizontal wiggly lines to the frothy part of the wave. These little lines will add detail and depth to your shoreline and waves. Layer in white and blue to show where the water meets the sand. Since the water is shallow and spread out, it's okay that we can see some of the sand color through the sea foam. Use expressive brush strokes with your smaller brush to easily add movement to the water. Take a moment to add a bright highlight to the caps of the waves as shown here. Take your time. There's no need to rush. Use a reference photo or follow along with our technique here. Focus on the elegant wing curves and open tail feathers. Fill the bird in with white and burnt umber, keeping the body mostly white and the wings touched with warm and cool tones. Add wing details, a tiny eye, a beak, and a soft blue accent on the wings for contrast. Using reference photos is a great way to learn how wings move in flight. These small flourishes will make all the difference for your painting, so take your time. To add details, use a small brush to outline the underside of the wings, the beak, and the tail feather with black. Next, paint a second seagull flying nearby. Keep this one a little less detailed, just a clean black outline and filled with white. Let it feel like it's flying at a different distance or angle. To finish the composition, add a few more seagulls in different flying patterns, varying their size and placement to keep things dynamic and natural. Don't worry about perfection. Each bird should feel like it's caught mid-flight, moving with the breeze. If you're a beginner, it helps to sketch your birds lightly first. And that's it. You've painted a breezy coastal scene with graceful flying seagulls and waves crashing softly on shore. If you enjoyed this, we'd love to help you go even further. We offer both free and pay-what-you-can premium painting courses to support you as you grow. Whether you're just starting or building your confidence, we're here to help. You can explore your options at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thanks for painting with Acrylic Arts Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new relaxing tutorial.